wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best packing cubes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Shack Pack are made from water-resistant nylon with mesh inserts to allow for ventilation so your clothes don't get musty. The double-stitched construction reinforces their lids, which help to keep your clothes flat and minimize wrinkles. These are deep enough to hold a lot of stuff and sport an attractive matte finish. However, the included laundry bag is flimsy. At number 9, the Bag-Ale organizers are constructed from durable nylon that can withstand all kinds of abuse. Unfortunately, the same can't be said of the zippers, so be careful when opening and closing these. For the price though, they're hard to beat. There are many colors to choose from, all with mesh ventilation, but they don't provide much compression. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Pro Ultralight comes as a set of 5 pieces, 4 medium and 1 small, so there's enough space for everything from short jaunts to longer journeys. They're made from long-lasting ripstop nylon with sturdy YKK zippers. These are breathable to prevent odor buildup and have double-stitched seams. However, there's no large option in the set. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for packing cubes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Travelon Expandable gives you a lot of bang for your buck. It not only has 2 compartments on the inside, but also offers external pockets that can hold a pair of slippers or flip-flops. The piped edges give it some structure. It's equipped with a 4-inch expansion panel and made from a stain-resistant material. It folds flat for storage. Moving up our list to number 6. All the pieces in the eBags Classic are made with fully finished interior seams to prevent damage to the contents, and mesh tops which allow you to see what's inside at a glance. The zippers have easy-to-grab corded pulls with tabs. They'll fit inside most hotel drawers and are made of a thin, space-saving material. They're available in multiple colors. Halfway up our list at number 5. In addition to efficiently compressing all types of apparel for travel, the Dot & Dot are sturdy enough to transport toiletries, makeup bottles, and even camera equipment. They'll last for years thanks to a rugged, water-resistant honeycomb fabric. They're equipped with dual-zippered openings and available in the same or mixed colors. They're handy for home storage too. At number 4, you won't find yourself fumbling to open the Peak Design Medium, as it has a unique tearaway zipper with easy-to-grasp flaps. An additional zipper allows for compression, while an interior divider ensures you keep your dirty clothes away from the clean stuff. It's made from recycled materials with a rip-resistant coating. However, it is quite expensive. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Eagle Creek 3-pack come in plain and patterned fabric choices and are a touch more stylish than typical options. Unlike many, they're machine washable and have large grab handles that makes them comfortable to carry. They're equipped with 2-way zippered openings and built for the long haul. In fact, they're backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for packing cubes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Amazon Basics 4-piece is an economical choice with sturdier components than most other budget options. If you tend to pack a lot of stuff or need to transport big items, these will work well for you, as the largest is bigger than those that come with most sets. They feature see-through mesh tops and a thick material that protects the contents. They stretch to accommodate large loads. And taking the top spot on our list, the Eagle Creek Packet Spectre Tech keeps your dirty laundry separate from your clean clothes in one tidy bag. It's made of a translucent fabric so you can see the contents without opening it, and its zippers are self-correcting and run smoothly. It features an adjustable center divider and a robust webbed handle. It's exceptionally lightweight. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for packing cubes, or simply click beneath this video.